Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be showing you how to design a personalized birthday card by using Canva. Canva is a fantastic graphic design tool that allows you to create stunning visuals that can be your greeting cards, your birthday cards, and many more. So let's get started. First, you need to sign in for the Canva, or if you haven't signed up for Canva yet, I suggest you do because it's a very beautiful and a great tool to create such beautiful designs. Once you are here on the home screen, you need to search for the templates. Canva offers a very wide range of templates that you can use for your birthday cards. You just need to search for the birthday cards in here. You can scroll down to see all of these birthday cards are for free. You can just click on it and edit them. But for now, let's just create our own birthday card just by clicking on it. And here we have a blank canvas for our birthday card design. Now let's start designing our birthday card. For that, first we need to add the background for our birthday card. For that, we will go to the elements and here search for the birthday. And here click on the photos to find the background for your card. You can scroll down to find the best that fits your need. And don't be afraid to try some new things. Just keep on experimenting new things and you will create a beautiful design that will catch your eye as well as the one that you are sending. For example, let's try this one. This one looks good. Let's choose another one. Let's add this one here. Yeah, this one looks good as well. Let's bring it down to the middle and there you go. You see, I just double click on it and I reduce the size that I wanted. Now we have the background. I'm just going to click on it and lock this background layer. Now let's add the graphic to our card. For that, we will go to the graphics menu here and by selecting the birthday, let's search for the graphics. These are looking good, so let's add them here. Let's take a copy of this and paste it right here. This looks good as well now. Let's add some happy birthday text right in the middle. This looks good, but let's try another thing. This one is looking not so good as well, so let's try this one. Yeah, this looks good now. Yeah, this one's alright. Let's go with this one. I'm going to place it in the middle. I'm going to reduce some of the size. I'm going to select both of these and right click on it and go to the layers and bring it down to the front. I'm going to place it just right here. And now let's add some of the text on this side. I'll use the text and create a subheading. And I'm going to write, I hope your celebration gives you many happy memories. You can write your own text. I'm going to change its color By using the eyedropper tool, I will use this color right here. Let's use a lighter version of this. This one looks very good. Now by selecting this, let's change the font. Yeah, this one is better. By selecting this, I'm going to reduce its size just a little bit so it doesn't cover the whole space of the design. You can also add some of the elements to make your design more beautiful. You can use the graphics, the birthday graphics. Let's add some balloons in there. One balloon here. I'm going to take a copy of this and place it right here. Now by selecting both of these, I'm going to go to the layers and send to back. Again by selecting both of these, I'll reduce its transparency to about 20% is good. Now select both of these and place it right here. Yeah, this place is good for them. And there you have it. There you have it. In just a few clicks, you have created a personalized and heartfelt birthday card that is sure to make their day. If you want to print them, just simply click on File, click on Download, and here select the PDF format for printing. Here just click on Download. It will take some time to process and download. Open it up. And there you have it. If you want to send them digitally, you can simply just click on File and click on Download. And from the file type, just select the PNG format to send them as a picture. Just click on Download. Now you can send this picture to anyone you want. And there you have it. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.